Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today in Adobe Illustrator we will create some stickers. And if you're interested, please keep watching. This is the size of my workspace and these are colors which I'm going to use in that tutorial. And now let's start to draw. My workspace is ready and colors already in the swatches panel. Let's take orange color and ellipse tool, create the ellipse like this and the ellipse like that. Okay, let's rotate it a little. Now select both shapes and align them. Now direct selection tool, select that point and move it a little down. Okay. Now let's take pen tool and a red color and draw here the element of the head. Guys, at first we will create all elements and after that we will create stickers from these elements. Okay. The next point here around the side, and let's close the path and round the line. Okay, it's ready. You can always fix points with direct selection tool and move them like that. Okay, now let's take a white color and pen tool and draw here some elements like this. One more here and the last one in that place. Now you need to select all these elements, rotate it a little here. And now select all these elements, hold shift to select all elements and that one, and now go to pathfinder minus front. Okay, and move the red shape to front. And now if you want, you may take the selection tool and squeeze a little that part. And the direct selection tool and for example around the corner here. It's on you, it's your design vision. Now let's take pen tool and white color and add some highlights like this. And one more here. Okay, now with brush tool draw the white line. Now select that line, go to object expand appearance, select these two shapes, white and red, and shape builder tool, hold Alt and delete here unwanted parts. Okay, it's ready. The next one, let's take green color and ellipse tool, create the ellipse like this. Now take rectangle tool, create the rectangle. Now select both shapes, pathfinder, intersect. Okay, now red color and pen tool, draw here the next shape. It will be a watermelon. Okay, now select both shapes, shape builder tool, hold Alt and delete unwanted part. Now select the red shape and add white stroke. The size of the stroke will be 10. And go to object, expand, okay, ungroup. Select the white shape and green one. Go to pathfinder minus front. Okay, now ungroup and delete green part. Okay, it's ready. Now let's select the red shape and take direct selection tool and move, for example, that point up
As well, you can play with points here, take direct selection tool or smooth tool and round corners or smooth little shapes, make them a little imperfect. Okay, it's ready. Now take a polygon tool with 3 sides. Okay, it will be a rectangle. Make it a little bigger and longer. Now direct selection tool, round the corner here, and curvature tool, move the side down. Now select these 2 points and round corners with direct selection tool. Okay, now let's take pen tool and red color. Now draw here the shape like this. Now select these 2 shapes, shape builder tool, hold Alt and delete unwanted part. Now select the red shape, add the white stroke here, and the size will be 10, like this. Okay. Now here object expand. Okay, ungroup and select the white shape and green one and pathfinder minus front. Ungroup and delete unwanted green part. Okay, it's ready. Now you can add here, for example, point and move it a little up like that. Now let's take smooth tool and smooth a little that shape to make it a little imperfect. Now we need, for example, around here the corner if we want it. Okay, it's ready. Now select that shape, make it a little smaller, rotate, put in that place. Okay. Now take brown color and pen tool and let's draw here the shape like this. Okay, and now just hold Alt, make copy, and again hold Alt and make copy and put in the place you like. Let's make it a little faster like this. Okay, it's ready. Now select it and group it. Okay, make it a little smaller. It's ready. The next one, let's take red color and pen tool. Now let's draw swimsuit. Okay, like that. And the last point here around the side. Okay, the first shape is ready. Now direct selection tool around that corner. Okay, now select that shape and transform, reflect, vertical copy, bring it here. Now let's take rectangle tool, create here the rectangle. Now go effect, warp, arc and move the slider here, for example -44, expand appearance, bring that shape a little up, move this one here. Okay, it's ready. Now let's create the next shape. We need to take rectangle tool, create here the rectangle like that. Now ellipse tool, let's create the ellipse, let it be white color to see the shape. Okay, and now let's move that ellipse here and make it a little longer, and the copy of that ellipse bring here. Okay. Now let's align these two shapes. Let's move them a little like this. Now select these shapes and align them like this. Okay. And Pathfinder minus front. Select these points with dark selection tool and round the corners, and do the same with that corner and with this one. Okay, it's ready. Now let's take let's move it here. Now let's take brush tool and that brush and draw here the first line. Now select that line and transform reflect vertical copy, bring it here. Okay, put that one here and this one in that place. Now select this line, object, expand appearance. Now select these shapes and lines and Pathfinder unite, direct selection tool. Now let's round corners here. At first that one, the next this one. Now select these and round that one a little, or smooth it like this. Now let's draw the bow with brush tool and, for example, like that. Okay, it's ready. Now let's take white color and ellipse tool and create ellipses like this. And take green color for that shape and add the same white ellipses. Okay, it's ready. Now let's move the ellipses like this. Now let's look. Okay. Now let's make that shape a little bigger. I think like that. Little smaller ellipses. Okay. Now let's select that shape and group it, and group this one. And let's rotate a little that shape and put in that place. Okay. Now object, expand appearance, and make sure that you group all elements. Now let's draw the next shape. It will be sunglasses with red color and pen tool. Let's draw their heart like that. Okay. Let's move that shape with direct selection tool. Now let's round the corner here, the same with direct selection tool. Now move that point a little up. Okay, it's ready. Now make it a little longer. Object, path, offset path, and -20. Okay, and brown color. It's ready. Now make the copy and reflect. Okay, it's ready. Now ungroup that shape, take this shape, copy and paste it. Now transform, reflect horizontal. Okay, put here and send it to back. Move here and bring it in that place. Now let's take direct selection tool and round these corners. Okay. Now let's select that shape and group it, and make these sunglasses a little smaller. Okay, now let's take brown color and pen tool, draw here the next shape. And send to back. Now smooth a little that shape. You can stay it like this, or for example you can reflect that shape. Let's select it and transform, reflect, vertical. Okay, and rotate it like that and put here. And transform, reflect, vertical, put in that place. Select both shapes and align. Okay. Let's take for now white color and brush tool, add here elements like this. Now pen tool, draw the next highlight here. Like this. Stroke to fill. And let's round the corner here. Now let's smooth the shape to make it a little imperfect, and here the same object, expand appearance and move points like this. Okay, rotate a little and let's copy these shapes, hold dot or Ctrl C, Ctrl V and bring here. Now let's move stickers like this. Okay. And now let's add the stroke for the stickers. We need to copy and paste that shape. Now go to Pathfinder, Unite, send to backward, and object, path, offset path, about 15. Okay. The stroke is ready, like this. Okay, let's bring back and do the same with all elements here. Copy and paste, Pathfinder unite, send to back, copy, object, path, offset path, 15, okay. Do the same with watermelon, copy and paste, Pathfinder, send to back, let's take white color, object, path, offset path, 15. Let's look, okay. And the last one, sunglasses, the same. Copy and paste, Pathfinder unite, send to back, object, path, offset path, 15, okay. Okay, it's ready. Now take that color for the background, create the background and send to back. Okay. Now we need to add the text. Let's group all stickers for now. Okay. And now let's take pen tool and let it be brown color. It's no matter what color for now you take, and create lines for the text. Let's create the first line. We need the color in the stroke. Press escape to leave pen tool mode. Create the next shape. Escape. Now the next one here. Okay, the next one here. You of course can add the text in the places you want. It's my places. You can add the text in other places. Okay, now let's take the text on the path, text tool on the path, and let's write here beach glam. Okay, let's take direct section tool, move that point a little like this to see the whole text. And now here let's write bite me. Here cool view. The same direct section tool and move that point to see the whole text. Rotate it, put here. Here let's add the point with pen tool. Okay, to move that side a little down. And now let's add the last text here. Bikini. Babe. Okay. Rotate, put in that place. Now let's take type tool and move a little text here, and now create outlines. Okay, do the same here, create outlines, create outlines. And here create outlines. Okay, now let's add sticker, stroke of the sticker for the text. You can stay it like this, for example, or go to path, offset path 15. Okay, now let's move that shape here and take white color, Pathfinder Unite. Now we need to separate the shape and the text. Ungroup here, unselect that shape, group the text and bring the text here. Now select the whole design, the text and the sticker, and bring in that place. Okay, now bring the yellow shape, the head, to front and move the sticker a little up. Okay, it's ready. Now ungroup the text and select only white shapes, group it, copy and paste it, and bring the copy and background to back. And now move the copy a little down and to the right and take the color of the background and opacity multiply. Okay, you can add the shadow or you can not add the shadow. Now here let me make it a little faster. And guys, if you have here empty places, you can make like this, or you can stay these empty places, so as you like it. Okay, and the same, let's add the stroke. And the last one here is ready. Okay guys, the tutorial is over.
Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next video in a graphic design.